Yo.
Hey, how's it going everybody? My name is an Ordinary Gamer, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing some items I got from Wish.
Wish is a top shopping app helping tens of millions of users to find hot trending products with savings of up to 90% off store prices. Browse trending buys and create wish lists quick and easy. What are you waiting for? Download Wish for free now.
So now that you guys have an idea of what Wish is, let's get started with the video. Now, you guys can't see the box right here next to me, but I actually have all of my items in there, and I'm going to be picking one randomly and just, showing you guys what I got. So the first item here, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I actually crossed out my personal information and the item description. And I also opened it when I received the item to make sure I got what I ordered. But it's been maybe like a week or two, so I really don't remember what each package contained. But let's open this up. I really don't even remember what this is. Okay, I remember this. It's my, let's see, what is it? Oh, these are my lenses. Put these on the camera and take pictures. And I'll post some pictures up right now in the video. But I only have two, fisheye lens and macro. Now, I don't know if I messed up my order, but I actually was supposed to get 3. And, yeah, I don't know what, I don't have my third lens. I was supposed to get macro, fisheye, and wide angle, but so far it seems I did not receive my third lens. So yeah, that's a bit disappointing. Oh wait, wide. Oh my god, they're attached. Okay. Never mind. This is actually good. For a second there, I thought I did not receive my 3 lenses, but they're all here. And like I said, I'll post some pictures up on the video so you guys can see what the pictures look like. I have an LG TribView HD, so I'll do some comparisons and you guys can see. And yeah, I'm actually pretty happy that I actually received all the items. Okay guys, so on to the next item. Let's just move some stuff around. And we got this. Now, I'm going to try to feel. And I think I might know what this is. Let's open it up. Oh wait, never mind. I thought this was my other microphone that I ordered off Wish, but this is the $1 mic. Now I'll do a quick audio check, test, so you guys can hear the differences, and I'll see if this is a win or a loss. Okay, I've now switched over to the $1 mic, and I can't hear the difference since I don't have any way to tell unless I am editing the video, which will be too late. So let me know in the comments down below whether or not this was a win or a loss, and if you guys would want me to start using this mic instead of my headset. Okay guys, so now we're going to be moving on to our third item. So let's just mix this up. And, ooh, we got a small package. Now, I'm 99% sure I know what this is. But let's open it anyways. Okay, it looks a bit different, but I got some Rick and Morty stickers, and you can actually put this on anything, like your laptop, phone, anything like that. And supposedly these are waterproof, which I am not going to test because it took about 2 weeks to get here, so I'm going to waste my time. So let's check these out. Now I should have 35. Now I don't know why it looks a bit different. It looks dark. Sorry about that. It looks darker, but the rest aren't too bad. Like I said, they do look a bit darker. But the rest aren't that bad. I mean, for $3, $2, it's not bad. Now we have a lot. Oh, look at this. I like this one. Say what again? Mr. Muisc as Samuel Jackson. I forgot what movie he was in where, he says, say what again? Snowballs? Beth? He kinda looks Hispanic to me. This is what I was talking about, it being darker. I did see some other stickers, like newer ones, which I'm thinking about getting. But, let me know on my poll. Now I'm going to be running on the top right. You'll see a little eye icon. Let me know if you guys want to see some more Wish unboxing. And I'll be more than happy to do some unboxing for you guys. And if you guys want, I can give one lucky winner or one lucky subscriber an item of their choice that I, showed in my video. And I'll send it to you. But just let me know whether or not you guys would like to see this become a series. And we have this. So honestly, I got this for $2, can't complain. Okay guys, so we do have a couple packages left. So we're getting close to the end of the video, but we're gonna mix this up and see what we get from our remaining packages. Now, I know what this is already. This is my tripod, and the only reason I know is because it's the biggest package in the entire box. And like I said, I opened it to make sure that the stuff I wanted was in the package. So I'm gonna open this, and I'm sorry if I'm breathing a bit heavy into the mic. I actually turned off my fan so I can get better audio out of this mic. So we got this little tripod mount, and we got this tripod. Now this feels a bit cheap. The reason I say that is because this feels like foam, but it doesn't feel that bad. but I would prefer, it would be plastic or something, the grips, rubber at least, but this isn't bad. Let's actually attach this. And I'm pretty sure you can, yes, you can move this and you adjust it from here. At least I think, yeah. You adjust it from here and you can adjust the pressure you want so this won't move at all. So I say this is a win. I mean, it stands up, it can move this thing around, put my phone on here. Yeah, I actually enjoy this. It's nice. And I only paid like $2 for this. I do have the prices on the top left. I should have announced that in the beginning of the video. But if you guys want to check these out, I'll have links down below. And I'll have the prices in the top left corner. And yeah, I say this is a win. I mean, I wish this thing would have been like rubber, or at least some other type of material, but for $2 this is a win. So we are down to a couple of packages, so I'm just gonna pick them out. There's really no point of mixing them up. There's only a little bit left, and I'm gonna get this, and let's see. Yeah, wait. I think this is my microphone I ordered. This is the second microphone I ordered. Yes, this is the stereo microphone that I ordered, and I'll be doing a test again, so you guys can let me know whether or not it sounds different or better. I'll realize if it sounds better or not when I'm editing, but as of now, I really have no way to tell if it sounds good or bad. Hey, how's it going, everybody? So this is the microphone test. Now, if this is a real stereo microphone, you should be able to hear me on your left side, and now you guys should be able to hear me on your right side. Okay guys, so now we're down to a few items, and I'm actually going to pick this one. Now, I already know what this one is, because, of the texture, and I remember what this one was. But I was planning on using this to do a face reveal, or maybe like a prank or something. You guys can let me know down in the comments what you guys would want me to do with this. But this is a mask, and to be specific, this is a ski mask. Now, why does it look like this? I don't think I got the right one. The one that I ordered had a thing in the middle instead of this giant hole. But I'll show you guys a picture to see how it fits on me. And I mean, it feels nice, but the real test is gonna come when I have to put this on.